Yeah, hi Shane, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your jukebox laser for you. That's the 1254 that you sent up. And that's working as it should be there for you. So, I trust you're happy with this. So you can go up and down in the tracks. So I'll go down in a track here, I'll just go to track 3. Whether you can hear that, hang on, so let me just get some music. Track 4, track 5, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so that's moving up and down in the tracks as it should be. So I trust you're happy with that one. Okay, that's disc number 1 or CD number 1 for you. So yeah, thank you very much.